In this video, I will show you step by step on how to create free keyhard code online without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to create keyhard code for free. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. So I'm going to come to the browser at the top right here. Then you have to go to this particular website, which is www.the-keyhardcode-generator.com. Then you press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, so it's going to take you to this particular web page right here. So the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. So click on sign up for free to create a free account. Then you can simply click on continue with Google. Then select your Google account. Then click on continue right here. Then click on continue. Then you have to fill this simple form right here. Come to the top right here. Choose your company size. So you can choose between 2 to 50 employees. Then select your industry. So you can select anything that relates to your business. So I select entertainment and art and entertainment. Then the next thing you want to do is just click on start creating. So you can see right here that we have successfully created an account with this particular website. So the next thing we want to do is to see how we can exploit this particular site to do some stuff. Alright, so we want to use this particular site to create a keyhard code, a trackable keyhard code. So for us to do that, we need to make sure we paste our URL link right here. So you can see an example of how your URL link should be. Alright, so I'm going to head over to my channel. So I will just right click. I'll make sure I copy this particular URL link right here. Then I will head over back to the site. Then I will just make sure I press Ctrl V to paste the URL link right here. Okay. So in a few minutes, it's going to generate keyhard code for this particular channel. Okay. So you can come to the sidebar right here. You see there are a lot of stuff that you can use right here. So we have to come to this particular point. I'll make sure I select YouTube. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on download right here. Then I can rename the title to be my YouTube channel. Okay, so there are just two format files that you can download on this particular site. You can download as PNG file or SVG file. So as for me, I would like to download this file as PNG. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on download at the bottom right here. So you can see it has been successfully downloaded. Now we can test this keyhard code and see the effects of this particular keyhard code. So I'm going to open up the folder. Alright, so let's see how to track this particular keyhard code. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your phone. So from my phone screen right here, I'm going to head over to my camera. So from my phone screen right here, I'll make sure I head over to my camera. First thing first, you need to enable your keyhard code scanner on your phone. For you to do that, you have to make sure you go to this setting icon from the top. Then you have to scroll down. Then at this point here, you need to make sure that your keyhard code is enabled, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to just simply go back from this point here, go back to the camera. Then you have to position the camera into the keyhard code for proper scan. So you can see right here, so we just need to click on this particular keyhard code. Then it's going to, at the count of 1, 2, 3, go. So you can see the channel has been fully loaded up and open on my phone. So this is how to create a trackable keyhard code all for free, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, remember to click on the subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.